Hi, this is your Nevenex. Come to mama.
Oh my god, I'm the first one here.
Hey, bitch! Adorned with a glimmering face and a radiant smile. In short, maganda ako. With 3 exclamation point. Magandang buhay! Mabuting tao! Oh my god, you're so pretty! Hi, I'm Glamazon Diva. You're a fucking diva. Word! Diva, diva, diva. Pangit nyo. Oh, sana alam mo, ikaw rin.
Hasa-hasa.
Oh, sakit na gano'n nun.
Uy! Bakla! Bakit may inigaw dito? Bakla!
She's not ready to have her.
Hi, Quiz! Ang gaganda niyo, Quiz! Oh my God! So, first and foremost, I would like to thank all of the sponsors for this video. And this platform, I made this platform to help them in their studies and expenses. Kahit na hindi masyadong malaki, I know it will help. So, ang price natin for this episode will be 2,000 pesos! Hindi doon natatapos dahil kahit matalo ka sa lip sync na yan, nakaret, mag-uwi ka ng 500 pesos! Ayan, so, without further ado, let's get started. Mga nakshis, Tika Mika and Renevenex, prior to tonight, you are asked to prepare a lip sync song, Pwede Ba by Maymay and Trata. The time has come for you to lip sync for your life. Good luck and don't fuck it.
Nung tayo'y nagkakilala, nakakakilig, nakakaloka. Kumikas na mga ila habang ako'y sumasayaw. Lumapit ka sa mo. Pwede ba, makisayaw sa'yo? Pwede ba, makisayaw sa'yo? Sa'kin dahil nakakaaliw at nakakabaliw ang ganda ko.
Ladies, I've made my decision. Tika Mika, Shante you stay. You can go back to your queens. That means Renova Next, our drag supernova, a representation of dark horse and fashion adjacent. I hate to say, but Shante, you are also staying. That means Tika Mika and Renova Next, you will be proceeding to the next round. See you, ladies. Now, may I call Onyx Gavin. I hate to say everybody, but Mystic Savvy wasn't able to perform tonight because of health issues. And Mystic Savvy, I hope for your fast recovery at sana ay gumaling agad ang iyong inilinda. That means Onyx Gavin will proceed to the next for the last battle. Name call Raise Aqua and Glamazon Diva. Prior to tonight, you are asked to prepare Part of Me by Katy Perry. The time has come for you to lip sync for your life. Good luck and fuck you.
Days like this, I want to drive away. Pack my bags and watch your shadow fade. You chewed me up and spit me out like I was poison in your mouth. You took my life, you drained me down, but that was then and this is now. Now look at me. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, this is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, throw your sticks and your stones, throw your bombs and your blows, but you're not gonna break my soul. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, now look at me, I'm sparkling, a firework, a dancing flame. You won't ever put me out again. I'm glowing, oh, oh. So you can keep the diamond ring and tell me nothing anyway. In fact, you can keep everything, yeah, except for me. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, this is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, throw your sticks and your stones, throw your bombs and your blows, but you're not gonna break my soul. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No.
It's giving, yes. Ano lahat? Tangina nyo, legit. Okay. Tika Mika. Ay. Wala na pala siya. Okay. Raise Aqua and Glamazon Diva. You did great tonight. That means Raise Aqua, Shante you stay. Glamazon Diva, our dark horse, sweetie queen, fashion adjacent, and our drug supernova. we are so honored that we had you here in Alvarez Drag Race Looban. The shade away. Ano masasabi mo? Ano?
I'm so very happy na i-invite niyo ako sa gantong konting ano lamang konting lang ganyan. And I'm so very happy na nakasama ko kayo, Angel, Anor, and yun lang.
With that being said, Shantae may also stay. Okay, that means all of you will be lip syncing for the crown. I mean, for the semis. So, ladies, get ready at magkakaroon tayo ng 2-way and 3-way lip sync battle. Ang ililip sync nyong song ay Sirena at Release Me by I don't know the singer. So, see you ladies, see you muna sa Antak.
Hindi na mag-lip sync sa John. Okay ka din.
Diba yun, Mi?
Basta yun sa John. Sino nga ba yun? Hindi na deserve. Yung high boots talaga, ewan ko, hindi ko feel yung fashion niya, wala ng sense of fashion.
Ayan, te.
Ang say so.
Gusto.
Walang structure yung outfit.
Yes.
It's giving trash.
It's not about the outfit.
Wala kang kaya.
It's giving trash talaga.
No, it's not about the outfit, girl.
It's about the outfit, girl.
No, it's not.
You know, outfits have a, walang impact ng outfit sa Drag Race. Oh my gosh.
How can you say so?
You don't even know
No.
that. Oh my gosh, are you even watching Drag Race? Oh my gosh. You know, Eva Clark with Raoul ba tawag doon? Sino na yung nag-watch?
No.
You know, I'm not doing the moves. Love that for her? Not for me, though!
I'm getting you up there.
Feel ko ang ganap na kung dito. Double Shantae dito talaga. Feel ko paki ko yung makalis talaga dito. Ewan ko, di ko ba yung makeup mo? Ang pangit. Talaga.
It's not also about the makeup. Oh. Wala ka lang bang pinagahan.
Oh my gosh!
Ginawa ko nga. Ginawa ko.
Fresh.
Ganda ng fashion ni Velo.
Correct. I love the fashion.
It's not giving.
Ah!
Wow, compared sa'yo, te. Yes, because I am born to stand up. Yes, bitch.
Whoa! Oh!
Stand out. Hindi ka rin stand out kanina, te.
Oh my god. Okay, the time is up. Okay, ladies, so those who will lip sync in Sirena song is Renovanix, Onyx Gav, and Glamazon Diva. Prior to tonight, you are asked to prepare a lip sync song, Sirena by Glock 9. The time has come for you to lip sync for your legacy. Good luck, girls. At dapat
Ako'y isang sirena. Kahit anong sabihin nila, ako ay ubod ng ganda. Ako'y isang sirena. Kahit anong gawin nila, bandera ko'y di tutumba. Ram na may tubig ang sinisisid, naglalaki ang mga braso, sa'ki tumitiktik. Ram na may tubig ang sinisisid, sa patagalan ng paghinga, sa'kin kayo ay bibili. Simula pa ng bata pa ako, halata mo na kapag naglalaro, kaya parang lahat ay nalilito. Magaling sa Chinese, karte, rampi ko, mga labi ko
ang puso ko mapagmahal, parang biling matang kulon.
Ako'y isang sirena, kahit anong sabihin nila, ako ay ubod ng ganda. Ako'y isang sirena, kahit anong gawin nila, bandera ko'y di tutumba. Ram na may tubig ang sinisisid sa patagalan ng paghinga, sa'kin kayo ay bibili. Ako'y isang sirena, kahit anong gawin nila, bandera ko'y di tutumba.
Ladies, I've made my decision. Onyx Gab. That performance was bedazzling. Shantae stay.
Thank you so much.
Ano masasabi mo, Gab?
Oh my God. Ano sabi ko sa inyo? Kakain ko ng lip sync na to.
Okay. You may back to the other queens.
Thank you so much.
Now, the last part will go to Glamazon Diva, Shantae Stay.
Deserve.
That means Glamazon Diva, you may go to the other queens. That means Nakshi Renuvanix, our 14-year-old baby drag queen from Moncada, our best drag supreme and drag icon. You will always occupy space in our heart. Thank you so much for sharing us your dazzling talent and your charisma, nerves. Now, sashay away.
Thank you po dahil binigyan niyo ako ng opportunity na makakali dito sa Richard Ray. And hindi po wala po akong masabi dun sa mga sisters ko kasi yung iba mabait, yung iba hindi mo alam kung ano ano. Pero okay naman sila pagdating sa lip sync. They also impressive. Thank you.
Thank you, Renuvanix.
Get ready. I will revenge.
Thank you so much, Renuvanix. That means we are going to proceed for the next round. Tik Kamika and Reyes Aqua. Prior to tonight, you are asked to prepare Release Me by Marina Summers. The time has come for you to lip sync for your legacy. Good luck and don't fuck it up.
Release me, release my body. I say release me, 'cause I'm not able to convince myself that I'm better off without you. Yeah, it's perfectly clear love is not what you need.
Ladies, I've made my decision. Tika Mika, Shantae stay. You may go to the other queens. Grace Aqua, once again, thank you so much. Thank you for sharing the charisma, the nerve, and talent. You are the most beautiful girl that has conquered the stage. But I hate to say, and I hate to ask you to sashay the competition. That means sashay away. Anong masasabi mo? Really?
Actually, gusto ko mag-thank you sa mga sister ko. Kahit po paano binigyan nila, nabigyan tayo ng time para mag-meet. And okay lang po. But sadly, I need to sashay away.
Thank you so much, Grace Aqua.
Bye, girlies, and I'm going back to the scene.
Work. That means Glamazon Diva, Onyx Gab, and Tika Mika will battle for the crown. See you ladies, see you muna sa Antak.
Oh my God!
I didn't expect it talaga.
Yes, okay.
Mag-prepare tayo for the finals talaga. Oh my God.
Congrats, ladies!
Congrats, Paki!
Congrats, dear!
Ano pinag-release ka, te?
Ano ko?
Daw, deserve mo naman, te.
Correct.
Deserve mo
Get
naman.
ready for the revenge, bitch.
Can't wait for your revenge, sis. Ano nga pasabog yung mga bakla? Oh my God.
Maglagay ka.
Ladies, you only have 1 minute to prepare for the final lip sync battle.
Hey! Ano bigat first? Sana na ikaw ma-eliminate.
Keep watching, bitch.
Kasi deserve mo. Deserve mo matapos.
Oh.
Okay lang na.
The time's up. Bring back my girls. Glamazon Diva, Tika Mika, and Onyx Gab. This is your last chance to impress me and win the 2,000 pesos. For tonight, you are asked to prepare a lip sync song, Tala by Sara Geronimo. The time has come for you to lip sync for the crown. Good luck at dapat pakak kung hindi sapat na may kasamang tadyak at sandamukal na talak sa hinulugang taktak bago kita ihulog pabagsak with your face na warak. Napupulutin mo sa lusa habang ako'y humahalakhak sa galak.
Siguro nga masyadong mabilis ang pagyanig ng puso ko para sa puso mo. Siguro maipilit. Tila ko'y nakalutang nasa langit, ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. At kung hanggang dito lang talaga tayo, hindi pababayaan ang daang dinadadapiling ka. Kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo, hati lang ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga akala. Pagdating ng mga talay, nakikita ko sa iyong mga mata.
Oh my God!
Ina niyo. Ang gulo, gagaling nila eh. Okay, ladies. I have made my decision. The winner of Ivera's Drag Race Looban 2024 is... Tik Kamika. Ano mo masasabi mo? Ay, wait lang. Ano mo naman sabi ni Onyx Gab?
Actually, napagdaman sa final round. Gusto na nabugat siya.
Okay. How about Glamazon Diva?
I'm very happy na nakapagsak ako sa final lip sync battle performance, and
Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, Onyx Gab. And Glamazon Diva, now you may back to the other queens. Tika Mika, anong masasabi mo ngayon?
oh, thank you so much, Mama Pao, for the opportunity na binigyan niyo sa amin. And especially, sabi niyo nga, tahimik lang ako pero kumakain ako.
Tama! No, Tika Mika, France, my queen. Oh! Diba? Oh, 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 oh,